Hey, it's Maddie. I saw this shirt on Anthropologie's website with like a camel color tie-dye and some accents painted on the shoulder. I thought I could do it myself. So I'm gonna be using this Tulip tie-dye kit and mixing these up to get the color that I want to match that shirt, and then also bringing in some fabric paint to use for those accents on the shoulder. Let's get into it. Here is our tie-dye kit that we'll be using. It comes with everything you need, and it does come with gloves, a drop cloth, and some rubber bands. I'm gonna start with fuchsia, yellow, and then a little bit of black. Here is an empty bottle left over from some dye that I already used. This is what we're going to be mixing into. This is just a 1/4 teaspoon to measure out the dyes. I'm gonna start with fuchsia and do 1 scoop into the mixing bottle. And then I'm gonna do the same for the yellow. Here is our shirt. We're gonna be doing the crinkle method. You just start by laying out your shirt flat and just bring it in however you see fit. And if you want to use rubber bands, this is where you would just go ahead and throw a few around to really hold the shape. Flip it over carefully, and then the back as well. And I'm gonna cover this with plastic wrap to then let it sit for 6 to 8 hours to let the dye set. All right, it's been 8 hours, so now we're gonna unwrap it and give it a rinse. Here is our shirt after rinsing and drying a little bit. We're gonna be using the white tulip fabric paint. We're gonna be painting this doily and using it as a stamp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay out my design. So I wanna focus on just keeping it in kind of this shoulder corner of the shirt. I'll start with one here, and then we can kind of expand around. And we're gonna use this sponge and really press into it to make sure that all the paint gets on the shirt. I wanna try to keep the collar not painted. And then I'm just gonna peel it up and we'll keep going. And you can start to peel it up and see any sections that maybe you didn't press enough. There we go. You can bring in a second one, a different size preferably. We're gonna do the next one, kind of wrapping around the sleeve. And again, we're just checking around all the edges to make sure that we got the transfer that we wanted. There we go. I think we can call this done. And here is our finished product with that lacy pattern going all the way around to the back. I hope you guys give this a try. Thanks for joining.